Ysako is a Finnish company located in the central part of Finland in the city of Iisalmi. We are specialized in demanding machinings of we call semi-heavy components, which means that they are sized from 1 meter up to 5 meters. Typically frame structures, boom structures and things like that. Ysako is a part of a group of companies called Metallityö Group, which manufactures components and assemblies for globally acting companies in Finland. We have a higher and higher request or demand all the time from our customers. We are getting new components in production, and this is why we need a specialized machine for this kind of new components we are implementing in our production, and it requires very special tools, very reliable, high quality machine, bigger machine and so on. So that was the main purpose for this.
Boss is a family-owned smart production partner of metal industry. We are operating in Finland and Baltic states, and we have very wide customer base around this market area. Fermat has been our very long-term partner, and we've been developing our partnership all the time. Fermat is having a really good capability to listen customers what they really want, and they have very good technological knowledge and really tailor-made solutions for the customers for their specific needs. Our customers are usually looking for high efficiency and automation, but same time also flexibility.
We had, I think, up to 6 at least manufacturers in the list when we started to ask for the quotations. And from the beginning, Fermat was very open in communication. We got our answers very smoothly, very rapidly. We got the contact directly to the factory immediately in the first meetings almost, and we felt that this is a type of company we want to work with. The customers and components what we do, they are quite demanding. We have to be able to reach the components from every side in almost every possible angle. Single component needs 40 to 50 tools at least. So all the movements, all the rotations, all the tool changes, everything must be very smooth and fast to optimize the capacity of the machine. And of course the quality of the final product is very important for us and for our customers.
So Boss offers technologically highly advanced manufacturing systems, and we support those with life cycle services. So our target is to offer high availability for our customers that they can achieve their targets.
The components we machine, they are very complicated, and we need angle head in every component, basically what we will do with this machine. And it means that there will be a lot of rotations in the angle head. It is different angles we use, and every second counts. So that is the basic reason why we need as fast angle head as possible. Just like all the other movements, they have to be fast, to be efficient. The reliability is #1 issue for us, of course quality as well, but if I explain a little bit how we act with our customers, as I told, they are globally operating companies. They have line production, mass production factories. It means that they order components from us in a daily or in an hourly schedule actually. It means that there can't be any failures in the deliveries. And of course it's a very complicated component, this the angle head, and it needs repairs, it needs service of course and so on. So we have to have a working angle head all the time, because there are no components we can produce without it. We want to make or to take most out of the modern cutting tool. This means that we use the machine in a high level all the time, and we use a high pressure cooling through the spindle, so it means that if we don't have these walls, the cooling liquid will be all over the factory, and we don't want that of course.